Hello dear viewers. They took a phone in my hand. This phone model is Infinix Hot 11s. This phone model is Infinix Hot 11s. Now today I'll show you how to check RAM and phone storage of the phone in your hand, and I'll also show today how to clean RAM in Infinix Hot 11s phone. If you want to show your phone RAM information or clean your phone RAM, for this first you have to find the option called settings. Then you have to click on the option called settings. After clicking, a new page will appear in front of you. Then from here you will see an option called scroll down. You will see an option called storage. Then you have to click on storage and show your phone RAM information. This phone RAM is 6 GB and internal shared storage is 128 GB. If you want to clean your phone RAM, you just click on RAM, clean option, and RAM is cleaning. And if you want to show clean your phone storage, click on storage and you will see an option called clean. Then click on clean and click on settings. Click on OK. Phone must start cleaning. Allow. Click on back and cleaning my phone. Clean 8.37 MB. Just click on it and clean now my phone memory, phone storage. So viewers, if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.